Yo, yo. Woo. Hello, welcome. Today we're doing a fast, easy, simple video. How to make a dope bass like Levity and Tape B. I want to show you just simple concepts to make a wub and how to make it loud. This is what it sounds like. This is moving up and down in pitch. And it has a little bit of reverb, a little bit of post-processing. If you want this project and the patches right away, go to my Patreon. That'll be available. Otherwise, watch till the end to know how to make this. We're starting with squares and variations of squares. I'll turn off all the post-processing. Now, the first thing you're going to start with is this square. So default shapes, wavetable position, go to 9. Octave -2, random 0. Looks like this. PD from B turns on over here. And then it's at 32%. Levels all the way down, which is the volume. And then you add the LFO to it. And then it will make it actually do this shape here and do this movement. We're going to start like this. The PD from B is turned up here, which means we're going to introduce this shape now. Oscillator B turns on. Default shapes, we're doing the square at wavetable position 5, octave 1. Sync turns on, and it's at 1.01%. We're going to make this move, which it's going to go higher in pitch as the knob moves up. LFO 1 goes on this knob, and it goes up 26%, which will make it rise higher in pitch. You'll see the waveform change here as it plays. Now we're here, randoms all the way down, levels all the way down. Remember, we can hear this because the PD from B is on. Okay, filter. Right now, this is too many frequencies. Make sure to make this shape too. Usually it's in the middle. Move it to the left, put it on 1 bar, and re-trigger on the LFO section. Filter 1 goes on, and we're going to WASP or WISP, WSP, S2 filters. Cutoff 28. Resonance 7, drive 5. Then we're going to make these knobs move up. The LFO is going to make them move. Add the LFO to cutoff, go up to 50. LFO on resonance goes up to 46. LFO on drive goes up to 13. We only have A turned on as well. So now it's carving the bass, shaping it, removing a lot of the high frequencies, giving us this resonant peak. Almost adding like a little vowel too. It's cool. You can change the rate down here. Shape it that way too, but we're going to just leave it on a bar. Now we need to make this louder and compress it. So we're going to add compressor on multiband with gain at 13. Sounding a bit more crunchy. A splitter is going to split the frequencies like an EQ from your lows and your highs, and it's splitting at 210 hertz right here. We only want to add effects to the high frequencies, so that's why we use this splitter. On the high section, you'll see hyper and phaser. The hyper mix is 23. LFO goes on it and goes up to 39. This is making it wide. And then the phaser is making it move and wide, and the frequency's at 2262. Feedback 80, mix 48. Before, after. So we're really giving it some oomph, making it full. We add another multi-band compressor, this OTT. Copy these settings, turn off this low band, turn down the highs here. Amounts at 36, outputs at 12, and change your ratios as well on the bands. Before, after. Thickening up the soup. The EQ8 is boosting the lows. We want more sub, so we're turning them up right here. 4 dB gain at 35 hertz. The number 4 band is doing a high shelf and turning up the high frequencies by 7.5 dB at 445 hertz. Before, little weak boy. After. EQ is just beautiful. A little bit of reverb, 10%. decay super short at 593 milliseconds. It's a tight reverb. And then G-clip is just at the end, making sure it doesn't go past 0. It's acting as a clipper. This reverb is optional. This reverb can also be used in parallel at higher amounts. If you Command G the reverb, which I just did, and open up these chains, right click here and create a chain. You can have 2 chains, 1 reverb, 2 chain. 1 reverb, 1 dry. And you can combine those signals. Turn down the reverb if you want. EQ that reverb signal to further clean it. And you can do like a nice little parallel rack this way for clean reverb and delay if you want to do that too. It's always a good time, you know what I mean? This is a simple way to make some webs. I want this to be quick, fast, easy. You know what it is. Go on my Patreon and support me and get these sounds and a lot of other projects if you want, and keep it real. Let me know what videos you want to see in the comments next. See you guys later. Peace.